Hey guys, Kevin G. Host here. Video essay final as if I've done numero uno before I leave for the for some paranormal investigating. This audio serves very little purpose other than to hide the fact I'm using copyrighted music. Allow me to turn down my fan so you can hear me a little bit better as I narrate over the scenic views. Take a look at that. Fresh ocean.
This is for my boy the crocodile hunter.
I don't really know if it's looking at ocean right now. Whatever it's looking at, I bet it's great. I gotta keep talking 24/7 or else the YouTube auto-claimant will pick up on the fact that I'm using their music. I'll probably cut this off at any time. I'm gonna have to cut that part out, not because I burped, but because that was a moment of silence for YouTube to seep in and realize I'm using stuff I shouldn't be allowed to use, but I'm cheating the system right now. I'm sick and tired of getting copyrights on my ghost documentaries. First, Japan takes out the Christmas episode. Those Japs, they want to take everything. We need to take back the Middle East. We need to nuke Japan again, just in case they forgot what happened last time they messed with me. Us, people. It's ghosts. They're real, and I'm gonna prove it with this video. You're wrong.
Gonna put the world away for a minute, pretend I don't live in it. Sunshine gonna wash my blues away.
Special credit amnesty program. You want more savings? Save with our family plan.
Wait, it's already crime.
Washes and a lifetime power.
Peace out, my dude. This landscape mode. They got fidget spinners. Yeah, fidget spinners. Oh, that one's dirty. Yeah. Fidget cube. Just in the store in the hermit crab and shark fetus aisle. After acquiring some essentials from the strip mall, I of course got a fidget cube, fidget spinner, and a switchblade comb. I also bought the unpaid intern something, so he's finally a paid intern. Unpaid is a little bit illegal. We made our way to the TGI Fridays and enjoyed a lovely meal. And then I threw up in the handicap stall. I already feel 3 times more autistic. Best of all, this thing is going to get me arrested because switchblades are illegal in most states. The thing is a switchblade that's actually a comb. I threw up in a TGI Fridays bathroom. I slowly made my way back to the hotel to settle down for a nice, relaxing night. Or so I thought. That night also turned out to be the 4th of July. I would go on to get very few hours of sleep that night. Nah, green moose drug abuse. I attempted for several minutes to get a clear shot of some of the things going around me, but my camera remained fogged by both the cloudiness of the night and the humidity. Biggest killer of that night. Humidity fogged the lens beyond capability. It's pretty funny how it explodes and then you hear it, you know? I thought that was kind of clever. I thought it was kind of cool how they designed that so like the sound comes to far after the initial explosion, yeah. That's a big one. That's gonna be a large boy.
Oh my god.
Yeah, it's a real. Oh, look at that one. That one is real big, dude. The fireworks managed to keep my attention for a few seconds before eventually my mind dwindled to the point of thinking it'd be funny if I drew Harambe in the sand and then got a shot of the fireworks lighting it up, exposing it to the general public. Despite this, I still managed to get a few aesthetic shots, utilizing the camera's blurriness to my own advantage. After that round of fireworks finished up, I did end up heading back to my room, though. Not before one final act of valiant vandalism in the middle of the night.